Good morning guys, in front of me is DOOGEE S100 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first open new message or any other area where you've got access to your keyboard. So once you've got keyboard, tap on settings, select languages and choose add keyboard. Now pick the language that you want to apply. You can either scroll all the way down to pick the one or click on search icon, search button and provide the language. Then click on done. You can stay with both languages or remove unnecessary one by tapping on edit, selecting the language and tapping on bin, but let me stay with both. And now you can switch between languages by tapping on this word icon. If you have one language only, this icon will disappear. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.